New home kitchen brownies, a sweet recipe from your favorite Space Coast Realtor. Hi there, I'm Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, bringing you a recipe that is perfect for breaking in your new home kitchen because nothing officially says, I officially live here now, like the smell of warm brownies and the sudden appearance of family members who just happen to be nearby. Whether you just bought a home, are dreaming of your next kitchen, or simply need a chocolate emergency rescue plan, these brownies are here to help. And when you're ready to find a home in the perfect kitchen for baking, entertaining, coffee sipping, or hiding from the laundry pile, I would love to help you find it. You can search for your next home here at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Call or text me anytime at 321-480-7662. Watch home tours, Space Coast tips, and maybe a doxy video or two on my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Now grab your mixing bowl. We're about to make your kitchen smell like happiness. Ingredients: 1 cup of butter melted, 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup unsweetened chocolate powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and optional chopped walnuts, pecans, caramel drizzle, or a sprinkle of sea salt if you're feeling fancy. Directions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees and grease a 9x13 baking pan. This is also the perfect time to admire your kitchen and pretend you have everything organized. We both know there is probably one mystery drawer already forming, but that is home ownership, friend. In a large bowl, mix the melted butter and sugar until smooth. Add the eggs, one at a time, then stir in the vanilla. At this point, your kitchen should already start smelling like a good decision. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder. And then slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until combined. Do not over mix. Brownies like attention, but they do not need a full workout. Fold in the chocolate chips. This is where the magic happens. Also, no judgment if a few chocolate chips accidentally fall into your mouth. Quality control is important. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and spread it evenly. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. And if you want fudgy brownies, not chocolate bricks, or baking joy, not building a patio. Let the brownies cool before cutting, unless your patrons left the building about the same time the chocolate smell hit the air. Serve warm, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and enjoy your new home kitchen masterpiece. Margaret's brownie tip. For extra fudgy brownies, slightly underbake them and let them finish setting in the pan. And for extra happy family members, don't tell them until after you've hidden one for yourself. Looking for the perfect kitchen? If your current kitchen is too small, too outdated, or simply doesn't have enough brownie baking energy, I can help you find a home that checks all the boxes. Big island, pretty countertops, pantry space, double oven dreams, and room for everyone to gather. I'm Margaret Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor, and I would be honored to help you find your next home, your perfect kitchen, and maybe even the ideal spot for the cookie jar. You can search homes here at margarettsellsdreamhomes.com. Call or text 321-480-7662. Check out my YouTube channel at Dream Home Space Coast, Florida. Thank you for spending a little time in the kitchen with me. And be sure to hit that subscribe button for all things homes, home tips, Space Coast living, and yes, maybe even a doxy video or two, just like my boy howling in the background right now. Because homes and dachshunds just make life better.